G'day Wallaby Dick and welcome to another knot tutorial. Today I'm teaching you how to do a beautiful Bimini Twist ready to put on to your wind-on leader for game fishing. This is commonly used for bill fishing and also tuna around Australia and around the world, and it's a super simple knot to learn. Today we're using 37 kilo monofilament line, and all we have are our pliers as well. So this is a pretty simple knot. It's just hitching once you've done your twists, so it's not too complicated to pick up and learn and remember. What we want to do first is grab a little bit of line from our beautiful Tiagra, and we want about this much length. So about an arm's length once you've folded it over onto your thumb and you're holding it with your two fingers at the end. And what we need is to have a fair bit of tag end there as well. You'll see why in a minute. I like to keep mine relatively short. It doesn't have to be super long. You can have it as long as you like. It basically acts as a shock absorber onto your wind-on leader. Also, my wind-on leader is 300 pound monofilament. A little bit of overkill, but that's the way we like it. And that has held some big fish as well. Here's a clip of this exact knot holding a approximate 180 kilo thresher shark. It works, it holds, believe in me. First thing we want to do is we've got our loop with our right hand and we're holding on to our tag end here. We're just going to twist 30 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And then we're going to place this open end onto our Tiagra handle, and we want that to be tight as well. Now, this is the fun part. It's actually quite satisfying. What we need to do is run our right finger down the line here, and as we're running it down, we feed this tag end onto the loops. That's going to create our three-way plait that acts as the shock absorber. So, here we go. A little bit of pressure. As that pressure starts getting a little bit stronger, whoa, you'll see how my line just feeds onto it. See that? It's just slowly feeding on, and it's as happy as Larry. Once we get to the end, it's really simple. All we have to do is hitch onto the leg on each side. So here's one hitch, just like that. And then we hitch onto the other side, onto the right leg. Super easy. And then I'm just going to hitch on 3 times to the main line. That's all twisted up a bit, but that's how we're looking so far. Hopefully you can see that past the GoPro. So we're going to go 1, pull that down to the end. We're going to go 2, pull that down, nice and tight, and last one 3 times. Just like that. Now, looking back, we've got our tag end here that we can just clean up a little bit. Trim that off. Take this back off the handle, and voila! There is our completed Bimini Twist that acts as a shock absorber. Then we can just grab our wind-on leader. So the Shogun is what I'm a fan of. So now all we have to do is just place this on, just like this, and back through. And there is our connector. You can double it up. I don't think you need to, but then you've got your wind-on leader ready for your crimp and your ball swivel at the end of it. Just like that. That is how you do a Bimini Twist. I hope that helps you guys back at home. Good luck out on the water, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this